Hello and welcome back. Today we look at some simple English sentences that you can use for your Eid day. This is Naeem Heather and you are listening to me on English Keys language series. I have written the Urdu translation of these sentences as well so that you can easily understand the sentences. While I will be reading the sentences for you, you have to repeat it after me so that you can practice these sentences with me and it gets easy for you to use them in your conversation. How was your Ramazan? Repeat it after me. How was your Ramazan? How was your Ramazan? How many days did you fast? How many days did you fast? How many days did you fast? What are you wearing on Eid? What are you wearing on Eid? What are you wearing on Eid? Are you done with Eid shopping? Are you done with Eid shopping? Are you done with Eid shopping? Let's go for Tarawih. Let's go for Tarawih. Let's go for Tarawih. He is retreating in mosque for 10 days. He is retreating in mosque for 10 days. He is retreating in mosque for 10 days. Let's go for Eid prayer. Let's go for Eid prayer. Let's go for Eid prayer. Show me your henna. Show me your henna. Show me your henna. This henna design is superb. This henna design is superb. This henna design is superb. The dress looks gorgeous on you. 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 This color suits you. This color suits you. This color suits you. Eid greetings. Eid greetings. Eid greetings. Don't forget prayer on Eid. Don't forget prayer on Eid. Don't forget prayer on Eid. How much Eid did you collect? How much Eid did you gather? How much Eid did you gather? How much Eid did you gather? What will you do with your Eid? What will you do with your Eid? What will you do with your Eid? The tailor is not accepting my dress. The tailor is not accepting my dress. The tailor is not accepting my dress. Let's go to Nano's. Let's go to Nano's. Let's go to Nano's. Let's eat puddings. Let's eat puddings. Let's eat puddings. Puddings are ready. Puddings are ready. Puddings are ready. Would you like pudding or kheer? Would you like pudding or kheer? Would you like pudding or kheer? How is the Eid going? How is the Eid going? How is the Eid going? Let's meet on Eid. Let's meet on Eid. Let's meet on Eid. What's the timing for Eid prayer? What's the timing for Eid prayer? What's the timing for Eid prayer? Don't get late for Eid prayer. Don't get late for Eid prayer. Don't get late for Eid prayer. Is the moon witnessed? Is the moon witnessed? Is the moon witnessed? When is the Eid? When is the Eid? When is the Eid? Happy Eid. Happy Eid. Happy Eid. Eid felicitations. Eid felicitations. Eid felicitations. Eid felicitations. Today is first day of Eid. Today is first day of Eid. Today is first day of Eid. See you after Eid. See you after Eid. See you after Eid. See you after Eid. Thank you for watching. See you again.